Father-in-law, your tea.
Daughter-in-law, you have kept almonds for soaking. Get that.
Oh, I forgot to soak them.
Huh? You forgot? It takes 2 minutes to soak almonds. This has become your daily routine? You just forgot?
Father-in-law, if it's a 2-minute work, so you can do this by yourself. I will also get some help.
Ria,
Yes.
come on, serve me food, man. I'm hungry.
Hey, I'm pressing clothes, yaar.
Do it later. First, serve me food.
I'm pressing your clothes only which you have to wear in your office.
Okay, fine. But do it later. First, serve me food first.
If you are feeling so much hungry, so you can take and eat by yourself, na? I will also get some help.
Ria, where are my socks, man?
Hey, it's there only in your almirah.
Man, I can't find them. Come and give them to me.
Hey, see it carefully. It's there in almirah.
I saw them already. I can't find them. Come and give it to me. I'm getting late.
Get up. Get up. See here and see them properly. From next time, you will get your socks here only.
Ria, where are my purse and keys?
Where you kept last night?
I kept them on the table. I can't find them.
If you're not able to find your things, so how will I find them?
Ria, you are getting too much. I've been watching you for 2-3 days. Get my purse and keys quickly. Tiffin?
I was packing it only. If your socks, car key, and purse you would have taken by yourself, so I would have done that till now.
Daughter-in-law, you are talking too much these days, no? Neither you are doing my work, nor you are doing Sanju's work. If you don't do this work, then who will?
Work? You tell me na, what jobs do I have here?
And whatever work a woman has, all the work is yours.
Really? Turning your geyser on, it's a woman's job.
Yes.
To soak your almonds, it's a woman's job. To find your socks, it's a woman's job. To find your car keys, your purse, it's a woman's job. If someone is hungry, woman will serve the food. It's her job. Wherever you feel you throw clothes, you throw slippers, sandals, taking it and keeping it carefully. It's a woman's job. Tell me na, why you guys are quiet? These are women's job. And not this much. 100 of jobs like that, which women are asked to do. But they are your jobs. This is our job. Ria bring this, Ria bring that, Ria. Hey, what's your problem? Let me tell you what's the problem. In reality, na, nobody described housewife's job. You have to do this, you don't have to do this. Otherwise, they would have known what they have to do, what not. They are just told, do this, and they do that for you. And once they do that work becomes her duty. You tell me, you go to office, na? You must be knowing what's your job.
Yes, I know.
What other people have to do, you know that as well.
Yes, I know.
So tell me my job. What is my job? Exactly. You don't know, na? Here, everybody knows their job. But we don't know about our jobs. When maid comes to home, first she clears that to us. I will take this much for mopping, this much for cleaning. I won't do any extra work. Whatever money you will give, I will do that work only. Just here, we don't know about our household chorus. It's since morning till night. We don't get rest for a single second. Ria bring this, Ria bring that, Ria do this, do that. You tell me, if you will drink your water by yourself, so what will happen? If you will eat your food by yourself, so what will happen? And father-in-law, you, if you will turn on your geyser by yourself, so what will happen? If you will soak your almonds by yourself, what will you lose? These are your personal jobs. You can do this by yourself. If you guys can do these things by yourself, we will get some time to rest. Hey, we are also humans. We are not a machine. We also need rest. We don't get any leaves or any rest. And no appreciation.
I'm sorry, Ria. I didn't know that our small tasks become so much. Oh, yes, daughter in law, forgive me too. No one has described the work of a housewife. That what is her job? Uh, till now, it has been the case that all the household work has to be done by the woman. But now, this will not happen at all. From now on, I'll do all my work by myself. I won't bother you at all. And if possible, I can help you with your work too. You don't worry, huh? Me too. From now on, I'll do my personal work myself and help you as much as I can.
I'm sorry if you felt anything bad about my anything.
No, daughter in law. You said everything absolutely right. Everything you said is absolutely true. If this speech of yours is posted on social media, then you will go viral. Okay, Dad and Ria, I'm not going to office today. Instead, I'm taking leave. Today we both go to out somewhere. Yes, go. Don't worry about the house. I'll take care of it. Okay, you go change your clothes.